What's going on, you guys? It's Boosted J. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got 3 boxes to open up and 2 to install to the car and 1 extra goodie to one of the other packages. So let's get it started and open up the boxes and show you guys what we're going to be doing. This is probably some of the easiest mods you can do to your E30. So let's get it started. Alright, so we got 3 boxes. 1 from ECS Tuning, 1 from CA Tune, and 1 from FCP Euro. So the FCP Euro box we're not going to be installing today, unfortunately. But the CA Tune and ECS Tuning we're going to install along with some other goodies. So for the turn signal, all you'll need is a medium size Phillips screwdriver, and that's all you'll need to take the lens off. Just go ahead and start on one side and just go ahead and take out 2 of the screws. And remember, there are washers on the ends of the screws, so there's a washer in there. And then there will also be a washer on this side as well. So make sure not to lose those. And then when you're doing electrical stuff, make sure to disconnect the battery. So just in case there's any shorts, you don't want to be in trouble there. So when you got the orange lens, just put that to the side. And we're gonna change this bulb to an orange bulb because now that we have clear lenses, it'll just be a clear turn signal. So go ahead and twist and pull. Simple as that. And now, all you gotta do on the new depots is take off this plastic lens right here. Same process, and pull out the bulb and then slap on the new lens, and I'll show you guys. And it is the same process for the passenger side as well. So just take out the other screw, make sure you don't drop the lens, you don't want that to crack. And boom. So now this is out. And now this is just a much nicer interior. It's got 2 bulbs. That's why you'd probably want to change this out. But I'm still gonna go with the stock, which is one bulb. So you just pop that one out, and then you go in here, put it in, and twist it until it snaps into place. So that's pretty much. That's it, that's in there. And now you get the depot, whatever, plastic little cover, and slap it on there. Get your screws with the washers. Actually, you might not need the washers. I'm just gonna use the screws that were supplied with the depot cover, and I'm gonna put 1, I'm gonna put 2. Oh shoot, I dropped the other one. 2, and tighten it down. And you're all set. Don't tighten it too tight though, because it is plastic and it will crack on you, I guarantee you that. And that is a good fit. That looks so good. Unbelievable. I love it. Seriously, love it. That is just crazy. That looks so mean. This is something you guys might have to do to your E30 because this just looks damn good. I don't even know what to say. Damn, man. Alright, on to the next one, which I won't show you guys because it is the same process. So now we'll get to the grill. Alright guys, now I'm going to show you guys how to take out the grill and swap it in for a new one. So all you got to do is simply pop the hood. And now reach inside up here. There should be 1 clip here. Mine does not have it because I lost it. And then 1 clip right here. And pull. Oh, and there it is. Simple as that. And now all you gotta do is get your new grill and throw it in there. Same way, there's hooks at the bottom. So hook it in, put it up, and get your new clip, or get the clip. I don't know where I put that last one. But basically, it just goes in and clips into place, and that's all you gotta do. Easy as that. But I'm not gonna put this on just yet because I've got something special for this. So give me about a couple minutes. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing to it right now.